I got the best package in the mail today. Thank you, Joovy, for sending me your Room2 play yard. I cannot wait to unbox it and talk about everything that I absolutely love about the original room and now what I'm so excited about the Room2. So I am currently pregnant with my second baby. With my first, we used our Joovy room. I think from the day he was born until almost 18 months too. What I love about a play yard is that it's not just a single use item. It can be used for a place to put baby down in the house. With my first, I would literally roll it into the bathroom and take a bath and he would play so happily most days. I would roll it into the kitchen and get some cooking done. I would even roll it out onto our back porch and just drink my coffee some mornings or, watch the other kids play in the backyard. So it is also so good for travel. We lived out of town when we had our first baby and moved twice, and I was so grateful to have something easy like the Joovy room, now the Joovy room 2, to just bring with us as we were hopping from house to house, moving. It is just so nice. Okay, so here is me unboxing. The sheet is super soft, waterproof, of course, because babies are gonna have their spills, their spit ups, and all of the things. So I need to go wash that. And the best thing about this is once you learn how to do it, it truly is 3 steps. Now I feel like there's a learning curve, but I'm going to help you out with that. You don't need a learning curve. What you need to do is you need to stand it up, stabilize it, and then pull up on those 2 parallel sides. Come on the other side, pull up, and you just kind of do it in one motion together. Push down and boom, you are done. Happy dance, because that was so easy. Putting in the mattress with the sheet. This thing is huge. It is 10 cubic feet of room for your baby and toddler to play. I honestly with these wheels, I'm going to be rolling this all around my house. Now it is so big, you can actually fit a twin nursery setup as an attachment if that's something you need. No twins for me, just one baby who's going to be so happy playing, traveling, and living it up.